On the day of your surgery, come to the main building on the East Campus, located at 330 Brookline Ave. Look for the sign that says East Campus Main Entrance. When you come in through this entrance, it will take you right to a garage where you can park. Check in at the main information desk in the lobby of the Feldberg building. This is the same building as your PAT appointment. You will be given further instructions once you check in. Your surgery will take a couple of hours. After surgery, you will spend a few hours in the recovery area, also referred to as the PACU. During this time, nurses will be closely monitoring your vital signs, including heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing patterns as you wake up after your surgery. Visitors are not allowed in the recovery room with you, but they do have a waiting area. Prior to your surgery, the nurse in the holding area will take down contact information for your visitors so that the surgeon may call them when the surgery is finished. Once you're ready, you will be transferred to your room on the surgical floor.